Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure the device is powered, has at least 10% battery, and can access cellular or Wi-Fi. Sign into the same Google or Apple ID that Find My Device uses. This is non-negotiable. Once done, enable location services and grant tracking permissions to the Find My Device app. Also, toggle airplane mode off and briefly disable any VPN. Those often mask location and block the service from reporting where the device is. Now dig into the complex parts. Open the Find My Device app or iCloud settings and verify location permission is set to always or equivalent. Switch to high accuracy if available. Exclude the app from battery optimization so the OS won't suspend it. Make sure Play Services or iCloud syncing is current by checking for updates. Update the phone OS and the tracking app, then test location with both Wi-Fi and cellular. Change routers or briefly restart the network to rule out DHCP or DNS issues. Finish by using the web Find My Device tools. Ring the device, lock it, or show a contact message. Capture the last known location for reference. Restart the phone and any logged-in devices. If needed, sign out of your Google or Apple ID and sign back in to force a sync. If it remains unreachable, contact the carrier to confirm SIM and network status or file a provider report. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily remove the device from any VPN, then retry, because encrypted tunnels often prevent location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.